Hi there guys, welcome back. Something a little bit different today. Let's park it down there. Today we are working on a Peugeot 308. This is a 2009 308. First item on the old agenda is the air filter, which is at the back of the engine. Just in here there are 4 Torx T25s at the front that we need to remove, and once they're out the filter cover itself rocks up and should pull out, held in place as I recall with 2 securing tabs at the back. So just a little ratchet, Torx T25, just loosen these off and then spin them out by hand. This 308 is of the 1.6 litre petrol variety. Other options are available. I think one of the more common ones is the diesel. Okay, so with the 4 T25s, Torx T25s loosened and removed, let's keep those in a safe place. We then need to turn our attention, believe it or not, to the brake fluid reservoir. And then we've got 2 Jubilee clips and we should be able to get the thing open. Terrible design this. Right, so over here there is a Jubilee clip here, and there is another one down here. Loosened off now actually. I'm just going to use a 10mm socket just to loosen these off. Okay, now this rubber pipe here will now remove, or at least it'll unclip at both ends just enough for us to be able to get it out. But this piece, that bit there, won't come out in this gap here. So we're going to have to move this out of the way. And to do this you need a Torx T20. Just pull this forward and gently over to the side. There are 2 locating pins, and if you could quite see that before, but these 2 pieces here go into these slots to align it properly afterwards. So now we can pop at the bottom end and go over here and pop it off here, not losing the Jubilee clip down the back of the engine, and that will give us just enough room to manoeuvre to be able to get this appallingly designed air cover out of the way. Famous last words. God, I love Peugeots. There we go. What a delight. now we can get the air filter. This is pretty grotty. Go back in. Make sure it sits nice and flat. Right. Now there are, in fact, 3 pins, 1, 2 and 3, that need to line back up in those holes at the back. First things firstly, I need to wheel this back in without damaging anything, so please bear with me, cool. Ends in, right hand ends in. I'm just reaching over the top to make sure that those pegs are relocated properly and that it can't lift up at the back. Okay, and I'm just going to put in one of these screws here just to locate that, hold it in place, because we're going to have to press quite hard against that to get the pipe reattached at the right hand end. So, first order of business here is, again, keeping that brake fluid reservoir very carefully out of the way and making sure the Jubilee clip is in place. I'm just going to tighten that up a touch. You can't see what's going on. Okay, let's feed this back onto the filter cover. Needs to go onto this nice shiny pipe here. Okay, so that's all back where it belongs. So before I do anything else, I'll refit the brake reservoir. It's very important when you do this that you don't strain the connectors on the back of that tank. Just looking underneath it here, I can see quite clearly that it's not dripping, but I will be checking that again before the job's done. Okay, brake fluid reservoir is back in place. Pipe is refitted, although it needs to be tightened up, so we'll do that now. Okay, that's the top one. That one there. T25s back down. And that's the air filter changed. What a palaver. It does seem like an unnecessarily complicated piece of design, that. I mean, I'm also saving space under the bonnet there. Really? So, to recap, 4 Torx T25s on the front of the air filter housing itself, 2 Torx T20s on the front of the brake fluid reservoir to gently lift that over the side, just rest that on top of the battery box there. Then after that we have a Jubilee here. That end pops off. We have a Jubilee clip here, that end pops off. Bring that rubber pipe out of the way, and then we can basically then get the end of the pipe, the end of the filter housing rather, out, lift the whole thing up and forwards. Now, if you're lucky, you might be able to just push it up. On this one I can't, because this insulation layer here is going to slump down on top of the engine. You can see the over here, so that might allow you to just undo the 4, disconnect this pipe here and rock it up, just about prise the filter out. But if you do have to actually take the top off in order to get that piece there past this, through this gap, you're going to have to take that out and move it sideways. No biggie. There you go, so that's how you change the air filter on a 2009 Peugeot 308 1.6. A few other jobs to do on this car. I'll drop those in future videos. If that's been useful to you, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Click the bell notification and that'll keep you posted when the other videos drop. That's it for today, so thanks very much for watching. Take it easy guys, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.